Well, we're picking this flight up in mid-flight, and we're over Sassoon area, going into Oakland. I got information Charlie. This is more of a 4-camera test, and we'll throw in a approach VFR into Oakland to do it also.
Number 50 off traffic.
So we're in the Golden Eagle.
Eastbound.
We're out of annual. This is not out of annual. Annual was completed. And I flew June 1st for the first time, round trip, and today is the 4th, and we are doing a trip to Oakland, a same-day trip turnaround. And we will be making sure that things are going well on the cameras, and the main thing is safety first. So I don't let anybody fly in the plane with me after an annual on the first flight, like I said on my earlier video. So we're going to see. We got the ATIS for Oakland.
Twin Cessna 6825 Tango climbing at 5,500 VFR.
We're 8 minutes out.
6825 Tango, Travis approach, altimeter 2986, resume on navigation. Traffic, no factor.
Oakland was IFR this morning, but as is typical in the summer, late spring summer,
Number 50 Golf, traffic, no factor.
they turn VFR. When I was a kid going to school in Oakland, we'd go to the pool, be overcast, sun would come out, we'd think it was warm. It wasn't warm, it was like 68 degrees. Now we're on a golf course, and it's just breezy like mad. So everything's working well. We got the AC going. The G600 working well. I got the power, starting to reduce the power back. We're showing 186 knots true.
1 mile off the direct south.
8 miles out. 8 minutes out. 25 miles out. My last flight to Monterey, the cameras were all, the audio was all mucked up. The plugs came a little bit loose, and so I've tried to correct all of that. Getting a little bit rusty there, since I didn't fly much the month of May. Hey, you know what? We're VFR, so what do you say we go over and take a look at Mount Diablo? We're at 6,500. We're coming up on the Bravo, so we're going to start descending. There's Mount Diablo straight ahead. Funny angle from here. If I push the nose down a little farther, you'll see the town of Clayton. And then, oh, look over there. There's Concord Airport. We can make a nice gentle turn.
Number 30 Juliet, contact NorCal approach on 120.9 or see you.
120.9 or 30 Juliet. See you later. Thanks. Concord Airport straight ahead. NorCal, good afternoon. Golden Eagle 513 Juliet checking on, descending out of 5,700 Oakland, Charlie.
Number 5130 Juliet, NorCal approach. Thank you. Enter right base, runway 28 right at Oakland.
Right base, 28 right at Oakland, 30 Juliet. Okay, we can do that. I've heard that before.
NorCal approach 5309er Victor. We have a VFR approach request, and we have the minute weather for Petaluma.
So let's see how the trim, how this thing is trimmed. Let's see, let's put a little left rudder in.
Affirmative, 09er Victor.
And then some right aileron. That's pretty coordinated. Not bad.
Number 30 Juliet, traffic 12 to 11 o'clock and 4 miles northwestbound, 4,600 Cessna.
Okay, 30 Juliet looks like 09er Victor. We're looking for the traffic out the window. There he is right there. He's below us. About 5 miles out.
09er Victor, traffic 3 o'clock and 3 miles southbound, Golden Eagle 5,400 descending.
Look for the traffic, 09er Victor.
3 Sierra Juliet, I'll turn to the left, go behind him. Is he heading into Concord?
Number 3 Sierra Juliet, he's westbound for Petaluma.
Okay, yeah, I negative contact out the window, but we'll make a little left turn to get behind him.
Number 3 Sierra Juliet, thank you.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, same altitude, 1 mile.
Okay, that's the guy we turned away from. And 513 Sierra Juliet has traffic in sight now, 12 o'clock and a mile, moving to 1 o'clock. We'll maintain visual separation.
Number 3 Sierra Juliet, thank you. Cessna 09 Victor, traffic no factor now, passing behind you.
Traffic in sight, thanks, 09 Victor.
Number 09 Victor, thank you. Contact Oakland Center 127.8 and let them know your approach request.
Contact Oakland Center 127.8, 09 Victor, thanks.
That's the second voice, I think. Another plane showing up on the ADS-B, maybe not.
Number 3 Sierra Juliet, contact Oakland Tower 118.3.
1833 Sierra Juliet.
So my ADS-B on the Garmin Pilot was picking up a ghost image, or was actually delayed image of that earlier aircraft. That's why I made that maneuver to try to look for the traffic. He was not there.
Tower, good afternoon. Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet checking on airport in sight, 4,100.
Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet, Oakland Tower, continue for right base, runway 28 right.
Continue for the right base, 3 Sierra Juliet. Okay, I was getting a delayed ADS-B info on my iPad, my Garmin Pilot, and I thought I was coming up on that aircraft ending in Victor, so I'm ignoring the Garmin Pilot right now. And we're continuing to slow, so we're going to do our Papa Gumps. So that would be pressurization check, air conditioning off, prop sync off, auxiliary pumps on.
Oakland Tower, Alco 2, 3,500.
Alco 2, Oakland Tower, stay attention.
Yes?
We'll be working the Oakland area, Alco 2.
We got the mains.
Alco 2,
so on this 421 Golden Eagle,
now, you want to continue via what, like 5?
Our gear speed is 176 indicated, and that's pretty much what we're at. So we're just going to pull the nose up a little bit.
Just anywhere in the vicinity of 880 and 580 then?
And
we'll
put the gear down, first notch and flaps. So gas check on the carriage coming down.
And also 502 on your...
1, 2, 3, mixture is up, props where I want them.
3,500.
Roger, Alco 2, stand by, I'm going to hand you off to NorCal. And Alco 2, contact NorCal approach, they have the altitudes above 2,500, so contact them on 120.9er, please.
20.9er, Alco 2.
For 5 Sierra Juliet, runway 28 right, clear to land, the wind 27013.
513 Sierra Juliet, clear to land, 28 right, thanks. She said 53 Sierra Juliet. And Sierra Juliet, 5 Sierra Juliet, can you give me the wind once more, please?
And the wind 27013.
Thanks a lot, 3 Sierra Juliet. Okay, 27013, that should be easy. So here's something now, I'm doing new. I'm landing the plane much slower now to try to keep it a smoother landing. All right, so gas check indicator, got 3 green, mixers up, props up.
Number 600 Golf Alpha, 28 right.
Challenger 600 Golf Alpha, Oakland Tower, runway 28 right, clear to land, the wind 270 at 13.
All right, where is he? On the back side. Yeah, 27013 sounds like the wind in our golf game every Tuesday afternoon. All right, we're a little high on the Pappy. 1 red, 3 white. You should have 2 red, 2 white. There they are. 2 red, 2 white. We're starting to bleed off speed. We're at blue line. Blue line is the safe single engine speed that twins like to maintain at certain places. Okay, so we're getting our airspeed bled off. We got our gear down. We got our full flaps. And we're continuing to reduce the power. 17 inches of manifold pressure is about as low as I want to go on landing. Oh, there's a gust. All right, we're just going to hold it off. That's good. Easily make golf, taxiway golf. Easily make hotel. Let's do hotel for a change.
And then we're on 3 Star Juliet. Where do you park today?
3 Star Juliet, port to port, so we can make hotel today.
3 Star Juliet, turn right, hotel Delta to parking, remain the frequency.
Hotel Delta to parking with you, 3 Sierra Juliet, thanks. Okay, air conditioner back on. So that was a short video, short little ride in. And we are clear, so fuel pumps off, flaps up. Thanks for riding along.
Oh, you men are all alike. 7 or 8 quick ones and you're off with the boys to boast and brag. You better keep your mouth shut. Oh, I think I love him.